Hello, I'm Sylvain from Kaleidoscope, member of the SSE Project. I want to tell you about the toolbox that we built. The toolbox is oriented on specific tools to the development of social and solidarity economy. There are already plenty of tools existing useful to SSE. Therefore, we thought more to have them in one place and to connect one to another. Thanks to our European strategic partnership, our contribution is to provide you with 60 tools that we consider relevant to your social and solidarity economy project. These tools can help you to understand the main values of SSE, to build a sustainable activity, or to think about social impact of your action. And also sometimes just to get inspired. So now you want to explore this toolbox. So you are on the SSED webpage. The first thing you will see on this toolbox webpage will be all the tools at one glance. But maybe you want to be more selective. Therefore, you will find a search engine on the left of the screen. Maybe you want to look for the tools according to different sections. So if you want to assess an SSE initiative, if you want to build an SSE initiative, if you want tools to ensure the sustainability, if you look for tools only for inspiration, if you want tools to raise awareness about social and solidarity economy. But you can also search the tools according to their types. If you want an event, if you want a game, if you want a manual, if you want a map, if you want a template, a theoretical input, a video, a web platform, a workshop. Or you would like to find a tool depending on the target group you are working with. If you want the advanced in social and solidarity economy target group, if you want beginners, if you're working more with intermediate in social and solidarity economy. Or you can even find tools according to the languages. There are various languages for all those tools. Some tools are in Castellano, in Catalan, in English, in French, in Greek, in Italian. So you can also select the language if you want. So we hope that with this search engine, you will be able to explore all the tools that you need for your activity. We hope that you will enjoy the toolbox as much as we enjoyed building it. And we also hope that all those tools will help you to promote and develop a social and solidarity economy in your country, on your territory. So have fun with it.